side, open another package of cookies, Oreo, and you see this is a familiar size Oreo cookies, and this is a golden double stuff. Okay, here you can see it here on the side, here, in the back. Here. Container 7 side 2 cookies is 2 cookies is 29 grams. That's have 21 grams is 8%, and that they have the total sugars 12 grams. Includes 12 grams added sugar 24%. Protein less than 1 grams. No vitamin D, no calcium, no potassium. This is 0%, 0%, 0%. Iron is 0.5 milligrams. That's 2%. This one contains wheat, soy, and soy. Ingredients, they have sugar, unbleached, enriched flour, and they have natural flavor and artificial flavor, and a lot more stuff there. Include they have high fructose corn syrup, and let me open it inside so you can see. This package, they have the liquid is 2 grams saturated fat. That's a 10% DV. 80 milligrams sodium. That's 3% DV. And 12 grams total sugars. And split appears when opened. This for 2 serving, 2 cookies. Yeah, you can see it. Last time when I opened it this side, and this is the one you remember. I opened the chocolate one, and my niece said I did wrong. She told me they have the stop open right here. After you took out a cookie, you have to take out a cookie, and you close the lid down. Sorry, I didn't eat a lot of cookies, so I don't have many answers. That she told me. So so now I have to learn from kids how to open cookies box, cookie packets. Let's see how many in here. This row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 on this side. 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And over here is right. 11, 12, 13. 13, 3 by 13 is 39. Probably I'm miscounting. Okay, they are 2 serving each. They have 20 serving is 40. Probably I'm miscounting somewhere. 1, 2. Let me see. 1, 2, 3. 13. 1, 2, 3, 11, 12, 13. 1. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 right here. 11, 12, 13. So 13 by 3 is the 39 cookies, not 40. Sorry. Let me take one and show you. There's a glass inside here. It's a cream. It's a white cream. Usually when you young, actually most the kids they don't. Let me gặp vào mouth. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.